appreciate it properly. Oh yes, this one we are happy. Happy makofi hapa tafadhali. Wonderful, what a blessing, what a blessing, what a blessing. What a beautiful blessing. Wapigie makofi mazuri tafadhali.
Samsung or iPhone? Samsung. So we got offered iPhone 17 Pro Max or Samsung S25 Ultra. Which one did you get?
25.
Huh?
25.
Ah, okay. May I get a 17?
Wajeni kidogo, hebu jipigie makofi. Sitashika pale kifaa yako kwa
Amazing, amazing. Please, just make sure you stay on board. We are not yet done. Just 20 more minutes and then we'll be out of here.
Very good. And now we are going to exceptional leadership. Can you please reach out, okay? I'm telling you, we will tell you something nice, okay? So the exceptional leadership, the person that was the most exceptional leader, other than Pastor Dennis Wabhala. Okay, tell them about Wabhala. And you say it properly, Wabhala. Appreciate the most exceptional leader here. Appreciate him. Then we have the animal walker of New Bridge Chapel of God. And this is none other than Pastor Vicky Matoba. Appreciate the Lord.